In our first episode, we will look at what is delivered with the GARDENA Sileno minimo and whether it's complete. Small, fine, quiet, and easy to use via your smartphone using the app. Are you ready for the new GARDENA Sileno minimo? Just because it's interesting, and besides, you also have to check and see whether everything is in there. The mower has to be in the box, naturally, including the user manual and quick start guide, as well as a form for product registration. When you do that, you get all sorts of additional services. Then there's a power adapter. And, very important, the ruler too. Then there are the screws for attaching the floor plate, cable connectors, and cable clamps to connect the cable to the charging station. There is also the low voltage cable. And there's the charging unit. The cable attachments are on the back with lots of hooks. The cable roll for the boundary and guide wires. But we'll explain later what that means. And don't forget, all the way at the bottom there is still the floor plate. And now for the mower itself. On the top of the mower, you'll find the super simple buttons for operating it. And here is the big stop button, the turnable back wheel, and the heart of it all, the free swinging precision blades.